Hello, fan collectors. Braxton the Vintage Fan Man here. Um, Before we get to the fan, I'm just gonna go ahead and explain myself why I've not been posting lately. Um, there's been a couple reasons. Well, not a couple. There's mainly one reason is depression. So, uh, yeah. For those that are wondering where I've been, I'm still alive. Just been not really doing anything lately. It's what I've been with depression. So, and depression can definitely mess you up. So, yay. Yeah. It just got worse after Fanimation. So, it started happening basically after Fanimation, which is just yay, lovely. for those that are not, for those that don't know, I was being sarcastic. But yeah. That's where I've basically been. I've been antisocial as well because of depression. Um, but yeah, but I've been, I've just been doing my own thing. So yeah. Anyways, what we have here today is a 1986 Hunter original. Uh, yeah, it's your standard original. This has been up for a little while now. And I plan for it to stay up. Yeah, this is from Fanimation. I got this from Chandru, also known as Charles Smith. There's the light, by the way. I think I got this for $50. I don't remember, but oh yeah, I did give him $50 for this. Yeah. Well, it's missing a canopy. It did have a switch cap, but it's on my other original, which is the '93 one. Yeah, the '93 original. Yeah. Yeah, this thing is in need of oil, so I'm gonna make this one quick with this fan. So, and I ran out of oil, so that doesn't help my case. So, yeah, start off on low. There's your reason why we'll go slow. So yeah, here's low forward. Doesn't stall out though, so that's a good thing. I believe it does have a little bit of oil in there. Also, there's been a couple of changes in the house since the last time I made a video as well, but those are for National Ceiling Fan Day, so I'm not gonna say what's changed, but there's been a couple exciting changes in the house. But stay tuned for National Ceiling Fan Day, which I think is next month. Yeah, because it's August right now. Anyway, here's medium. Has one of those Arcless pull chains in it. Those are always nice. And high speed, it's moving quite a good amount of air. By the way, the screws are loose on one of the blades, so that's why it's making that noise. In case you're wondering, it sounds like bamboo. It's because the blade screws on one of the blades are loose. And spin down. Reverse even works, so the reverse switch does get a little finicky sometimes, but other than that, it works fine. Spin down should be quick, nice and quick. It does have a steep blade pitch, and that's original, so nothing's changed with that. Yeah. Runs pretty well so far. Bearings seem okay. Again, this thing needs some oil, so I'm not going to run it for very long. Okay, it stopped. So now, low reverse. And I made sure that hook was tight, so that's taken care of. But yeah, July 22nd was this past group trip, so that was last month now. It's like a restaurant low speed on the original medium reverse. It's a nice slow medium as well. High speed's going to be a little slower in reverse as well, so yeah, it's typical for this thing. But it runs pretty well though. It's going to need some cleaning though, but it runs alright. So, and high reverse. And for those that are wondering, it is not hanging off that box. It's hanging off of a hook next to the box. So, for those that can't really tell. I figured we needed a light above the table, so that's why I put it there. Alright. Let's go ahead and 0 to high. We'll test the airflow as well while we're at it. Decent air. And it's typical for an original, for good air. Well, that's all I got for today. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, have a great day, folks. And, well, I guess more videos to come, and peace.